Hey guys, my name is Nisha. Today let's talk about difference between besides and beside. So let's get started. So as the word says besides, the meaning of this word besides is other than or except. For example, no one besides us. If I use it in a sentence, nothing besides a miracle could help them, right? Another word, beside. This means by this side of. For example, walk beside me. If I use it in a sentence, I would say a house beside a small lake. I hope guys now you know the difference between besides and beside. Try using these two words in your daily life and then you'd be able to understand the exact difference between besides and beside. I really hope that you will subscribe my channel and like this video and share this video with your friends and family. Have a good day. Thank you so much.